In this video, I will share with you step-by-step information how to draw and design a home plan or a house plan, floor plan, or a blueprint for any building and look on it from a 3D point of view. So to design my house plan or home plan and my blueprint, I'll be using the Chief Architect software on my computer. But first, I like to sketch my information that I have in my head on a piece of plain paper. So I'm using a sheet of letter size and a piece of cardboard. So I'm just making like a square box and put some measurements. So first you will think about what you would like your building like. So then you sketch it out on a piece of paper, all squares if you want it round, based on your design. Give the particular squares the name where you would want it. So that's where the designing all start from. From your head, sketch it down on a piece of paper. So when you go to the computer now, you already have an idea what you want to do. So it's easier to work that way. So you sketch everything down. You could even put some measurement on this, but you just sketch it down, bedroom, living room, whatever, and then you move ahead now to the software. This software, I'm not really teaching how to use the software. I'm just giving you an idea what you can do, because there's a lot of video how to use this software. So as you can see, the same lines and whatever I was just doing on the paper, I'm doing the same thing now on the software. You understand me? So even if you don't know how to use the software, but you have someone who knows to use it, you could sketch the ideas on a piece of paper and you could hand it to someone who knows to use the software, and at least they would know what you want. So you just play around with this thing, you just get the software. If someone have the software I'm using is Chief Architect. You have a lot of software and app that can design to this design. So this is what I'm using. So as you can see, I'm moving the line. I'm just demonstrating that you can play along with this thing, because you cannot do anything wrong. And after you do this and get it looking like what you have on the paper, then you can go ahead and put in your measurements, or if you wish to put in where you would want your entrance door, the room doors, and put in a window. And then this is a 3D program. So the good thing about this, after you do your design, you will click on the 3D view and get a view what the building will look like. So basically you're seeing your dream house or your dream building, what it look like without spending $1, which is very important, because most in earlier days is when the workman put on the building, you would say, oh, I don't like this and I don't like that. With this software, you basically automatically see what the building is looking like. So you can say, oh, I don't like the curve at the front, I want to do it in a different style. So here, quickly you see, this is a 3D view of the windows and doors and entrance and the necessary things they put in. So the software is pretty well user friendly and give you a good view of what you are doing. There's video I have video with this building, the same design, and this is how I designed the building before it put to reality. So I'm telling you of a fact what I do and what can work for you, because it's always nice to see good to see what you would spend it on, more than you just get some lines. So this is a 3D view. So and you have many different type 3D view, because this is a 3D view without the roof, and you have 3D view. So this is our next measurement. This is a measurement with this is a view with the windows and doors. So as you can see, these things represent the windows and the doors. So as I say, this program is really user friendly and easy to deal with. You have many more programs that can do this. So what I'm really doing here, I'm not teaching how to use this program. I'm just giving an idea, because in few I have videos where you have subscriber asks me, how do I get a plan? Or if I want a building plan for my house, how do I get a plan? And you have people would like to see what they also look like before. You know, so this is a program that can make life easier for you. You know, you can see I'm give you a 360-degree angle right around. So I think this is a pretty useful software, and basically look at the 3D view. And this is a next different 3D view. This is they call it the glass view. So basically you can see from everything inside the house. So it's not very difficult to get to do a blueprint. You can do it yourself. You have a computer, you have access to the software, or any software can do it. Because most of the software they're got a little bit different in how they use. So this is an next printout with the measurement. You have the inner measurement and you have the outer measurement. So it all depends on what. You see, this is an next view with the writing of what the rooms are. This is an next view. So it's the same thing that I draw on the paper. This is what I basically make up on the software. But it's always easier to work on a piece of paper, the ideas that in your head first, and get a view and an idea what. So you can always erase. You can do it on the software, but I always believe everything you do, if you sketch it on a piece of paper before, it makes life easier for you when you go to do the real thing. So this is just my idea to give viewers and subscriber idea how they can do their own blueprint and get a 3D view of their building or home or house or anything you gotta do construction with. So if you see this video interested or educational, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If there is thing I could do to make this video better, let me know. You know, so I just do this video to assist and educate to people who don't understand. Some people may know, some people may not. So this is it. So this is a 3D view of the design, and look how simple it is. I just sketch out a few lines and some box and a piece of paper, go to my computer and put in the same lines and box and put the measurement, and this thing can give you accurate measurement, because you can print out the real blueprint with the measurement. So when you hand this thing to a workman, you tell him this is what you want, exactly like this you want, and show him the whole thing. That means say you don't need to worry. If you have a good workman and he can read blueprint, you're gonna get the same type of building, same look, same measurement, everything. I think this is a very good software. I like it. I use it. I'm not just using the software and say the building. There's a building with some of my video. This is the same design, because I have video with the same blueprint in the video. This was the software that designed it, and I see what the video look like, the building look like before I do actually start spend my first dollar, and I do it. So I'm just sharing the information so you guys can do the same thing too. So you can design a thing and start the design on a piece of paper, transfer it, make it on the computer, print it out on sheets, the same letter size, and that's a blueprint. This gives accurate information. You just put it in the window and place it, and you give it the measurements. So if you think this video was educational or interested, please like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more video like this. Leave your comments. Tell me what I could do to make this video better. And thank you all for watching. Here we have a line. So I have an idea what this plan should be like. So if you have an idea, then you can draw it out. You can draw it out freehand as well, but I'm just using lines to make this thing look kind of video ready, looking properly. So I mean